Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to how to resolve this error. Couldn't initialize WebDriver.io, wdio image comparison service. For that, guys, if you have taken a pull from a GitHub, this error will come when you have taken a clone and you are typing yarn.install, this error might come. Okay. For that guys, navigate to your cloned repository. Just click on yarn.log, right click. Now click on delete. When yarn.log deletes, you can actually install all the dependencies and def dependencies which are present in the repository. If yarn.log is there, if there is any mismatch of the versions, this issue might come up. Okay, navigate down to delete. Now, what you do, you just type yarn.install. Okay, what it actually does. Yarn.install will install you all the dependencies which are there. And you can see here, no log file found. That will be helpful for you. Once it is installed, all the dependencies and dev dependencies will be installed. And also guys, once you delete that yarn.log, also add this command, brew install pkg-config. The command, I'll add this command in the description. So this is especially for the Mac OS. You have to install this command. Then you can run your tests. Then you can run your specs and all. Just add brew install pkg-config and let it flow through. You can now see it's starting to download many things, and it will take a little bit of time. And then when you hopefully you run a few things, it will definitely work. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.